Today we're going to be doing a walk around of our Texas Pride 20,000-pound bumper pull double car hauler trailer. This model is available in 32-foot to 40-foot lengths. So let's start at the front and work our way to the back. Up front we have a forged 4-hole adjustable coupler that allows you to adjust the coupler height of your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure your trailer is level while going down the road. The coupler is attached to the tongue of the trailer, which is heavy 8-inch channel iron. Now some other trailers use a lighter 6-inch channel, but we feel that for a trailer this size, an 8-inch channel provides more strength and stability. At the front of the tongue are 2 heavy-duty safety chains, and every Texas Pride trailer features all other DOT required safety items, such as an emergency breakaway switch with battery, and we apply more reflective tape than you will find on most other trailers. Also on the tongue, we have a standard 12,000-pound drop leg jack with spring return. Most other trailers this size have a much lighter jack on them, but we feature one of the heaviest jacks you can get for a trailer this size. This makes connecting and disconnecting from your vehicle much easier. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all of the wiring on this trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Another great feature that comes standard on this trailer is the heavy gauge diamond plate toolbox for storage of straps, chains, and tools. The box is lockable and keyed for security of your stowed items. One popular add-on for this trailer is the optional 8,000-pound warm winch. If you opt for the winch, it comes with a deep cycle marine battery, an onboard 8-amp charger and tester. You simply push a button to see the status of the battery. And if the battery is low, you simply lift the flap and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord to recharge. The winch is a great option to pull vehicles up on the trailer that are no longer operational. Walking around the side of the trailer, we have an 8-inch by 2-inch rectangular heavy wall reinforced tubing frame. This provides more strength and less flex and twisting than a channel iron frame used on many other trailers. The cross members on this model are heavy 3-inch channel on 20-inch centers and run the full length of the trailer. The flooring is 24-inch wide heavy gauge diamond plate steel runners with open centers which allow access to the underside of the vehicles. On the outside of the deck, we have stake pockets and a heavy-duty rub rail along with D-rings for securing your load from any possible position. A highly recommended option is the perforated holes in the flooring, which allows you to tie the wheel straps directly to the floor. The deck of the trailer is about 80 inches wide between the fenders, and the overall width of the trailer outside to outside is 102 inches wide. Now for extra wide vehicles, there is an option to extend the deck out to 102 inches wide with drive-over fenders. This option is great for loading oversized vehicles such as swamp buggies or dually trucks. Another nice standard feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced fenders, heavy enough that you can stand on. We also added fender steps on the front and back of the fenders for easier and safer access to the deck. For running gear, you have 2 heavy-duty 9,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 4 wheels standard. If you get in a slippery situation, you want all the braking power you can get. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the center cap in the hub and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 4 17.5-inch premium radial 18-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels for maximum stopping power. There is also an option for a spare tire and wheel, which is located in the open space between the deck runners and is very accessible. Walking around to the rear of the trailer, we come to the 6-foot steel slide-in ramps which stow under the trailer when not in use. We also offer optional aluminum ramps as an upgrade, which are half the weight and just as strong as steel. When it comes to the paint and finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 20,000-pound bumper pull double car hauler trailer.